How to make money in 2026 without clients. In 2026, it's very easy to start making money online. This is because of AI. Before you needed a lot of skills and time, now you can start with very basic knowledge and learn step by step. With AI, you can build apps, websites, and simple programs. You don't need to be an expert. You can learn while you create. Let me tell you what I built. I made a platform for businesses like hotels, restaurants, bars, guest houses, and car rentals. On this platform, businesses can add their information. For examples, bars can post their menus, restaurants can show what they offer, hotels can share details about rooms and services, car rentals can show their cars and prices. So they are not selling directly here. They are just sharing information about what they offer. Tourists can visit this platform, explore places, and read information. They can also leave reviews and share their experience. This helps people make better choice. Tourists can find the right place more easily, and business can show what they offer in a simple way. Another way I make money is by sharing my project. I use Linkvertise. These platforms give you a short link. You take your project link, turn it into a short link, and share it online. When people click your link, you earn money. The more click you get, the more money you make. This is passive income. Now let me talk about the AI tools I use. I use Gemini and Suno AI. With these tools, I create images and music. I also started a YouTube channel where I post AI songs. This is another way to grow you and make money online. For building websites and apps, I use Codex and Anti-Gravity. These tools help me write code, fix problems, and build faster. So the idea is simple. Don't look for clients, build something useful. Share it online, let people find it.